वाहिगुरु सतनाम श्री वाहिगुरु तनासरी महला पंजवा कर बारवा एक ओंकार सतगुर प्रसाद वंदना हर वंदना गुण गावो गोपाल राय वंदना हर वंदना गुण गावो गोपाल राय रहाओ वडे पाग पेटे गुरुदेवा कोट पराध मिटे हर सेवा चरण कमल जाका मन रापै सोग अगन तिस जन ना व्यापै सागर तरिया साधु संगे निर्भो नाम जपो हर रंगे पर तन दोख किछ पाप ना फेड़े जम जंदार ना आवे नेड़े तृष्णा अगन प्रभु आप बुझाई नानक उधरै प्रभ शरणाई तृष्णा अगन प्रभ आप बुझाई नानक उधरे प्रभ शरणाई। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। गुरु अर्जन देव जी, the fifth Guru of the Sikh faith, on Ang 683 of Guru Granth Sahib Ji, the six scriptures, is giving us a step-by-step method to really surrender ourselves to the higher power, to Vaheguru, and to see how we can feel Vaheguru's closeness in our hearts. So he says, Bandana har bandana gun gavo gopal rai. He is suggesting us that offer your supplication, surrender your mind and your thought process to this higher power, gun gavo gopal rai, and celebrate that you are created by Vaheguru. So Vaheguru is the writer of our history or our story. Why don't we have that sense of connection? And Guru Sahib says that you can do that. First, offer your prayer, offer yourself, bow down in a sense of surrender. Bandana har bandana gun gavo gopal rai. And then he says, after the rahao, after the pause, so this is where the emphasis of Guru Arjan Dev Ji is. At least for today, we can start seeing how much time we will be spending sort of remembering our deeper connection with Vaheguru, and how many times we will be sort of offering ourselves in humility, in humbleness to our Creator. So the next line he says, Vade Bhag Pete Gurdeva, Koot Prad Mite Har Seva. That there are very few people who realize that they have been blessed by Vaheguru. Now we all are blessed by Vaheguru. We are all blessed by God, because we will not exist in this world if Vaheguru was not sustaining us, supporting us. Each breath we are taking, it is because of Vaheguru's permission and Vaheguru's grace. But few realize that, and what they do, Kot Prad Mite Har Seva, when they realize that whatever they are singing, and Vaheguru then blesses them with more devotion, with more love. So, Vade Bhag Pete Gurdeva. And what does Vaheguru do? He shows the closeness to Guru. Guru can play an amazing role in our lives. And this is what Guru Arjan Dev Ji's next very important line, after he says, bow down to the higher power, but then he says, Vade Bhag Pete Gurdeva. That those are blessed souls who come closer to Guru. So in our in our sort of world, we are also very blessed that we have Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Guru is available, but how much are we able to observe and take from Guru Granth Sahib? It is all dependent upon us. How much seriousness we have in our lives to really develop the spiritual instincts or spiritual development. ਸੋ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੋਟ ਅਪਰਾਧ ਮਿਟੇ ਹਰ ਸੇਵਾ. And how do you serve God? It says ਕੋਟ ਅਪਰਾਧ ਮਿਟੇ ਹਰ ਸੇਵਾ. ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਦੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਕੀਤੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਦੋਖ ਨੇ, ਅਪਰਾਧ ਨੇ, ਕੀਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਮਿਸਟੇਕਸ ਨੇ, all those flaws and mistakes that we have committed, Guru Sahib says when we start understanding the role of the Guru and start the process of transformation in our lives, all our flaws are fallen away. Charan kamal janka man rapੈ sog agantis jan na pyapੈ. Beautiful. That once we start recognizing Vaheguru's presence in our hearts, Charan kamal janka, that lotus feet of Vaheguru. Lotus feet of Vaheguru is in a very poetic sense, it's an expression. But it does not mean that there are feet of Vaheguru that we, sort of picturize and put them in our heart. It means that when we are remembering Vaheguru's presence, we are feeling the sort of the surrender, the feeling of surrender, and we seeking God's shelter. That is Charan Kamal Janka Man Rapੈ, Sog Agantis Janna Vyapੈ. And when somebody gives their sort of the entire weight that we are carrying, we hand it over to Vaheguru, then what happens? Sog agantis janna vyapੈ. They will not feel the sadness, they will not feel the suffering, the pain, the anxiety, and all the trouble that we have in our lives, and the fire of all this stress we have. This janna vyapੈ. That person will not feel any effect of all these challenges of life. Sagar tarya sadhu sange, that this world ocean, that lifetime that we have, whatever lifetime we have, whether it's 70 years, 50 years, 80 years, some people live 90, 100 years, whatever that time period, that is called the world ocean. That's like the time that we have in this world. So Guru Sahib says, if you spend that time in the company of those enlightened beings, sadhu sange, nirpo naam japo har range, then what happens is that you start feeling fearlessness. You are no longer bothered by everything happening around you. You are able to color your entire life in Vaheguru's love and be very fearless individual. Par tan dokh kich paap na phede. And those who do that, what happens? They are not bothered about other people becoming rich, other people becoming more successful. They are not comparing themselves with others. Par tan dokh kich paap na phede. No sense of committing any sin. Basically, sin means missing a point. We will not miss a point in our daily lives. The point is to bandana har bandana. So Guru Sahib says, Par tan dokh kich paap na phede, jam jandar na ave nede. You will also not be bothered by the fear of death. We are all so fearful of dying. But Guru Sahib says those who are connected with Vaheguru, how can this kind of fear bother them? Trishna agan prabh aap bujhai. All this hunger and this thirst for more and more, all the time we are running around, spend the entire lifespan seeking things to control and things to really fill our heart, the hole that we have in our deeper self. That hole can be filled. Trishna agan prabh aap bujhai. Then God comes in and showers grace upon our lives, and all the thirst is quenched. Nanak udre prabh sharnai. That in the shelter of Vaheguru, Guru gives us this opportunity to seek the shelter, and then in the shelter of Vaheguru, what happens? Our life is lifted up to a very higher plane than we can experience the freedom, the liberation while living. We don't have to wait to die to have somebody do ardas कि इन्हों वाहिगुरू अपने चरणों 'ਚ निवास बख्शो। वी कैन फील वाहिगुरूज चरणों का निवास, उन्होंने जिहड़ी क्लोजनेस का जिहड़ा एहसास है, उन्होंने उस किस्म की जिहड़ी संग साथ की जिहड़ी सानू सुकून मिलने वाली एक जिहड़ी भावना है, वो असी जीवन 'ਚ इत्थे ही प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। सो ये बहुत ही ब्यूटिफुल मैसेज गुरु अर्जन देव जी ने इस शब्द के विच दिता है। सो सानू सारिਆਂ ਨੂੰ मे वाहिगुरू bless us all so we can be all blessed and be guided by this wonderful message of Guru Arjan Dev Ji and really transform our lives. And at least for today we can maybe repeat this line, Vandana har vandana gun gaavo Gopal Rai। वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरू जी की